It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have some palettes. I picked up the Juvias Place Rebel palettes. I got all 4 of them and I wanted to create some looks as well as do some swatches with these. So if you want to see what they all look like and what look I come up with, just continue to keep watching. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And let's go. Okay, so like I was saying, I have the Juvias Place Rebel palette, and I did purchase all 4 of them. I'm just getting around to making a video because I was sick. Then some other stuff happened. So yeah, if you see this nail here that doesn't have a nail on it, please excuse it. I was in an accident and it jarred my hand and broke this nail down into the nail, so I can't even get it fixed right now. But that's not what we're here for. We are here to talk about the Juvias Place palettes. So yeah, I don't even know which ones I want to play with. I think I have an idea, but I'm going to go ahead and open all of them and then we'll get into what they look like. Okay, so I took them all out of their boxes, and the packaging, as you all know, Juvias Place packaging, whatever is on the outside box is on the actual palette itself. And I think I love the artwork that is always shown at Juvias Place. The boxes all have the same girls on them, but with their respective color. So yeah, so first we have, so this is the gray palette here. I am so excited to use this. I can't wait to see what looks I come up with. I know a lot of us that are of a darker skin tone are typically afraid to use silvers and lighter grays, but I'm like so excited. Now the Rebels are small little 4-pan shadows, but I feel like the pans that you get in here are nice sizes. So again, this is the grays. That darker gray, it is showing up a little bit lighter than in person. It is a bit darker here in person, but it's so beautiful. I can't wait to see what we can come up with. Now, these do retail for $8, I believe. Let me check. Yes, these originally retail for $10. Right now, I'm looking on Juvias Place website, and they're on sale for $6.50 a piece. Or you can get the full set, which originally is $40 for all 4, but it is on sale for $38. So yeah, we'll see. Maybe you guys want to pick it up. I know I'm probably the last person to do a video about this, but I'm here. So again, that's the grays. And then we have the Rebel Army. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. I love the packaging. And this is what this looks like. Oh, this screams fall. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. So yeah. Let's see. I think each one is 8 grams of product. At least that's what I'm reading right now. Anyways, then we have the Rebel Mints here. And look at this one, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this color right here, it's just showing up as straight silver or greenish. I feel like it might look like seafoam green, but it's like a silver base with seafoam green turquoise, or like this color shimmering all through it. So pretty. I might play around with that one today. We'll see. And then we have the last one, which is the Honey, Rebel Honey. And this is what this one looks like. So right now, so spring, like, what are we in? So summer. It's so summer. So I don't know if I want to do like a last like hurrah to summer, but I can't wait for fall. So yeah. So yeah, those are the palettes. I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches and see how these perform. So let's see what these look like. So we're going to start off again with the grays here. Oh my gosh, that is buttery smooth. I just dipped into this one and it's so buttery smooth. I like that. I like that a lot. So that is what those all look like there. Oh, these are really light. I'm going to try to pack on as much color here as I can. But these are just like one finger swatch. And not the best swatches, but won't fake nothing over here. Y'all know. So that is what those look like. Let's see if we can get that camera better. I'm so bad at swatches. So that's what those look like. Pretty nice. I'm still excited to see what we can come up with. Next up to swatch is the Rebel Army. That was a little hardly packed in there, but I feel like it's gonna be so pretty. So that is what these look like. That top one doesn't look as sheer in person or patchy in person as when I put it up to the camera. But in person, it is so nice. This jade color here. That's so pretty. So again, that is the Army swatched. And now we have the Rebel Mints. And that is what these look like. They look very... Why on camera do they all look the same color? But in person, you can definitely see the transition between the colors. That's so weird. Let me see if I can... Did that help? That did not help. But they are pretty. They're so pretty. Definitely great for, you know, summer. Or if you just like bright colors no matter the time of the year. So the last one to swatch here is the Honey. Now this one only has one shimmer in it, and that is this one right here. Wait, oh, this one right here. And the rest of them are matte, while in the other palettes I feel like there might be like 1 to 2 mattes in there, and then the rest are shimmers. I'm okay with that. I love me some mattes. But let's go ahead and get these swatches done. And again, these are like just one swipe and done swatches. So there's those colors. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot more than when I was just looking. Okay, so we have swatched it. Again, that was the Honey. The Honey has just one shimmer in it, while the Mints has 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. The Army has 2 shimmers and 2 mattes as well. And the grays, do I remember? So it has a matte color, a color that looks like, I hope I didn't get that on my shirt, a color that looks like it's satin, this one right here. It doesn't look quite matte. And then 2 shimmers, which are these 2 that's catacorn from each other. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, and I'm not going to talk while I do my eyes. So we're just going to go ahead and put some music over the part where I do my eyes, and then we'll be back at the end to see what I like. Palette, but you're going to see during the video that like even the darkest color in here was just very, very, very light. So I was like, let's switch it up a little bit, because that was a little too pastel-y for me. So I went in with the Army one, and even this is coming off not dark, but it's okay. That's what I mostly have all in my crease, is just the darker brown. And then as the little wings here in the little inner corner here, I used the lighter of the two mattes in the Mints palette. And then for the shimmer that's on my lids, I did start out using this one, but it wasn't doing it for me, so I went into the jade color in the Army palette. Now I figured these two palettes would go pretty well together, just because they're both in the greenish family. So I'm glad that that still worked out for me. For some reason, I couldn't get the pigmentation down to where I wanted it to be. I seriously thought that this green was going to be a little darker, but it wasn't. And I did use the Juvias Place eye primer in... I have it in shade 2, so it is the lighter of the shades. I wonder if I got a darker shade or even use my e.l.f. Putty Primer, that is my skin tone, if the green would show up just a little darker. I know that they say to use a lighter one to show up more true to color, but I feel like that's to make brighter colors pop. So I think that this did a disadvantage to me while using this here. Now I am not mad at this. It was a lot of fallout, especially with the shimmers, but you can expect that. I do hear a way to get around that is just to use a glitter glue and to like really press, but I was pressing, I don't swipe, and I was still getting some fallout. Not mad about that. Just take some and just wipe it up. You're fine. It's makeup. It wipes off. You're fine. But I just thought that you guys should know. And then the pigmentation wasn't completely there, but I'm still going to play around with it and see if I switch up the primer color, if that would help make this darker. So I'm not going to say that this doesn't have the pigmentation that it needs. I'm just going to say that this could be the issue, which is why I didn't get the pigmentation that I expected today. Overall, at the price that they are, $10 for 4 shades, that is $6 for these. A pan, am I right? Am I doing my math correctly? Yeah. That is not a bad deal, and they're not small pan sizes. Again, I do believe that these are 8 grams of product in here. And as you can see, they're not small pans at all. So yeah, I would say go ahead and get them. Get the ones that look good to you. I will be coming at y'all with some more looks using these, because I'm like, help me. I'm going to be coming at you guys with some more looks from these palettes, just because I have them. So I do say go ahead, and I do recommend them. I love the packaging. So even if you store them up, I didn't show that before, but even if you store them up, you still get their names on there, which I think is nice. So they look like little booklets put all together, which I think is beautiful, 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 beautiful. You don't have to really see which one you're getting. The packaging is all the same color, so you still know which color family you are picking up, no matter which way you store it. And then again, even if you store it where you can see the tops, you know exactly the name of the palette. And then with the color of the palette, you know what color story you're reaching for. And again, I love that, because you don't have to be like, what color is this, which family is that, and all of that stuff when you're storing other palettes that are of different colors than the colors that you're looking for. So other than that, again, I don't have anything bad to say about them. I can't wait to play around with the other ones and to even switch up the base to see if I could, you know, get a little bit of a darker payoff. And yeah, go out, pick them up if you want to. I'm sure that soon, I feel like soon they're going to be in Ulta if they're not already. And I would just say go pick them up. Or you can order from the Juvias Place website as well. So with that being said, guys, don't forget again to subscribe down below. Also click the notification bell so that you'll know when I do upload a video, which I'm going to now be more consistent and stop skipping weekends, now that I have an actual schedule of how to film and everything while working and going to school. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified when I do upload a video, hit thumbs up to let me know that you like this kind of content. And until next time, y'all, bye.